Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. I begin preparing my home by opening the windows, even if only for a few minutes, and let in the crisp air. It clears the energy, brings freshness to the rooms, and somehow signals the start of something new. The home wakes up a little, and so do I. Hosting to me is not about entertaining, it's about connecting. It's the art of noticing what will make others feel cared for. A comfortable chair placed near the conversation. A gentle playlist that lets voices linger. The soft flicker of lights that makes every face glow a little warmer. Before I set a single table or plan a single menu, I begin with that spirit, because when your heart is at ease, the rest will always follow. Begin by clearing the space, and don't strive for perfection. Aim for harmony. When the rooms feel balanced, the energy of the entire home shifts. It feels lighter, more open, and somehow more alive. In the kitchen, I keep things simple. A simmering pot on the stove, perhaps citrus and cinnamon drifting gently through the air. It's amazing how familiar scent can comfort people before they even see your face. I've also learned that comfort is often found in the rhythm of the day. When hosting, I plan a natural flow where guests never feel rushed, where conversation unfolds easily, and where every detail feels quietly considered. I think of the pathways where people will walk through, the entryway where coats are placed, the lighting in the living room, the distance between where someone sits and where the music hums softly. Every element works together to create ease. As I prepare, I pay attention to how the home sounds. Too quiet, and it feels hollow. Too loud, and it loses its intimacy. So find a middle ground, a gentle soundtrack, a fire-soft crackle, or even just the murmurs of conversation that will fill the space like music. There's a calmness that comes when you know your home is ready. The candles are waiting to be lit. The table, though simple, feels intentional, and every detail whispers. I also take a moment to think about the people who will come. Each one carries their own story, their own quiet need for rest or joy. Hosting to me is the chance to make space for those stories, to give others a soft place to land, even if only for an evening. Before guests arrive, I like to pause once more, stand in the center of the room, and remind myself, you've already done enough. The heart of hospitality is presence, not perfection. When the doorbell rings, I don't want to greet my guests with a whirlwind of tasks. I want to greet them with peace. And that peace begins here, in the still moments of preparation, when the home, the heart, and the season find their rhythm together. Once the home feels calm and ready, I turn my attention to the atmosphere. The visible layer that transforms a simple gathering into something memorable. Atmosphere to me is like music. You don't have to see it to feel it. It moves quietly through every room, shaping emotions that linger there. Always begin with light. Light is the soul of the home. It can soften walls, warm faces, and turn even the simplest evening into something luminous. I prefer lighting that glows rather than shines, lamps instead of overheads, candlelight instead of brightness. It tells someone you can exhale here, you can relax, and enjoy and have fun. I use light to create moments of intimacy, small pools of warmth that invite conversation and connection. Then there's scent, the quiet storyteller of any home. It's amazing how scent carries harmony and memory. A faint trace of citrus can remind someone of childhood mornings, a bit of pine or spice of holidays long past. I'm careful to keep scents subtle, A home should never announce itself too loudly. It should whisper. A softly scented candle, a simmer pot on the stove, or even fresh greens on a vase can add just enough to awaken the senses without overwhelming them. Every gathering has a rhythm or a tempo. Too much silence can feel formal. Too much chatter can feel restless. So I curate sound the way I curate my home decor, with restraint. A gentle playlist, nothing that competes with conversation. Sometimes the most beautiful sound is laughter, echoing softly through the home. And then let's do texture. I like to mix soft fabrics with natural materials like linen with wood, wool with glass, velvet with stone. It's a reminder that comfort and elegance can coexist. The combinations feel timeless and layered, like a story told over many seasons. Even temperature matters. A slightly warm room feels like an embrace, while a chill can make guests retreat to themselves. I keep a throw within reach of each chair, not as decoration, but as an invitation. Create atmosphere that is about engaging all senses, but never overwhelming them. It's the art of balance, the harmony between what's seen and what's felt. When the home feels right, guests will sense it instantly, even if they can't say why. Before guests arrive, do a little walkthrough. Make small adjustments. A candle slightly moved, a pillow reshaped, the music lowered just a touch. The beauty of hosting isn't found in grand gestures. It's these subtle refinements, the ones no one names but everyone feels. Because when atmosphere is right, it becomes effortless. The home does the welcoming for you. Even the food, when it arrives, becomes part of the quiet beauty. I love the look of shared dishes, passed gently from hand to hand. There's a connection in the simple act, an unspoken reminder that the best gatherings are not performative. I've learned to leave room for imperfection, a slightly uneven tablecloth and dish that cools before it's served. A home, after all, is where grace truly lives, not in flawless presentation, but in thoughtful presence. Hosting is not a display of style, but a gift of care. When we place our attention on how others feel, beauty naturally follows. Because hosting for the holidays isn't really about the event itself. It's about the beauty of belonging, sharing time with family and friends. And when that beauty fills a home, it becomes something timeless, something sacred, something we carry with us long after the guests have gone, long after the music fades, and long after the last light goes out. Happy hosting and happy decorating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're getting to our goal for this year. Thank you so much for helping me try to reach my goal. See you on the next one. Bye.